Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we're gonna start our morning off with baking a pear cobbler the way my mom does it. She found this recipe that is so easy and so quick. We'll put it together for you. Stick around. So we have 3 ingredients: butter, pear pie filling that we canned this time last year, and a yellow cake mix. Step 1, open the pie filling, dump it in the pan. Obviously my stuff's thick, so I'm gonna go get a spoon. I went ahead and opened up a second jar just so it would fill in nicely. Next step, take the yellow cake mix and dump it on top of the pie filling. Now she has done this with apple, pear, peach. I think she even did a pineapple one. Just sprinkle it everywhere. Let me re-grip. Okay. Fill in the gaps. Okay. That looks covered. Next, it's 1½ sticks or 3/4 cup of butter, and I like to shred mine. And you sprinkle that over the top of this thing. Now, obviously, I'll get in there and get the rest of that, and I've got this much left to shred. And then this gets like placed all over. Yeah, I'd say that looks really nice. Okay, so that's 1.5 sticks of butter. And then we are going to go in a preheated 400 degree oven. And Mom says it takes about 20 minutes. Then she turns it. There it is. 20 minutes, then she turns it. Does a 180, turns it, puts it back in the oven for another 25 minutes. So this is gonna bake for about 40-45 minutes. She has an electric oven and mine's gas, so my oven cooks differently. So at about the 30-minute mark, I'm gonna take a look at it and see what it looks like. And so we'll bring you back at that point. This was easy, y'all. I kind of dig it. I wanted to come back on and let y'all know that I would not normally buy this, and we don't normally eat stuff like this. This is actually for a party at work. And let me show you why we wouldn't normally eat something like this. Y'all know I have issues with ingredients, right? Now, most of these I can pronounce, but I don't want to. See all the stuff? Here's my biggest one. See it? Yeah. We'll go to ask.generalmills.com and see what kind of bioengineered food ingredients are in this thing. Yeah, this is normally something we won't eat in this household because, yeah. No thanks. All right. Ooh. That's 30 minutes. That looks good. I'm gonna let it go probably like 5 more. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. It's a little bit more brown on the top. Yes. Oh yeah. Yep, that's good. We're pulling it. Oh, and it smells so good in here. That is definitely a beautiful thing. It is nice and crispy. The sauce, the pear pie filling is definitely down in there. The butter has melted all the way. There's a couple little dry spots, but I don't think that's a big deal. But the color is great. And it's registering very similar on the camera as it is in real life. These parts right here are much darker than what you see. I love it. This was so easy. And then I have taped the spoon on top so I don't lose it. That's the lid. We're gonna let this cool down a little bit, put the lid on, and then we're headed to the office to share this amazing dessert. All right, y'all, here it is. And I have my official taste tester. You ready?
Hello, I'm ready.
So this is...
I gotta get a piece of... Make sure I get a piece of pear.
Yeah. Well, 3 ingredients. It's a yellow cake mix without like adding the oil and stuff. It's shredded butter, and then it's our pear pie filling.
I like the crumb. The pear. To me, it's a lot like apple, but it's sweet, a little sweeter. And you know, I don't eat a lot of fruit.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We have a winner. Thank goodness, because I tell you what, I've already had it. It's so good. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.